saucing, saucing, I'm saucing on you. I'm swagging, I'm swagging, I'm swagging on you. I'm ballin', I've a song on you. Watch out, oh watch out, oh watch out, yeah. I smash out, I smash out, I smash out.
서비스. Order. This is chargeable.
I don't think I can go back to Singapore anymore.
I'm spending all my fucking pay. White Iver song. When I started balling, I was young. You gon' think about.
I took the wrong side for the train, so I actually went in a different direction. That's the wrong train that I took, and I have to cross all over to the other side. Thank God that there is an escalator, but the escalator moves incredibly slowly, so I gotta hustle. Oh my God, the train is here. Oh, it's not. The train is not here yet. I'm so confused. Everybody get out of this train to get onto that train we just left, and I'm just stuck here. Where the do I go? Oh my God. I've asked for help, but the thing is, there are a lot of lines here, so it's choggy. Choggy is all the way at the other side of the station. Great day! Wow. Turns out it was on the Chogi line. Okay, it was Chogi, it was not Kogi. So it's the number 3 line. Oh my God, I really want to cry. Traveling is difficult. Guys, I made it. It's Hyundai. I made it by myself. I'm finally here, but sadly it's pouring. And I was going to try to walk back to the campus, but I guess not. I'm going to fork out $4,000 for 4,001 for a cab bag. It's freezing.